we're going to enforce this anti-noise ordinance. There is a need for the people to learn that the city needs discipline. And it will help everybody if we are able to show that. I'm just doing this because I get so many texts that people are really complaining. This is that they cannot work. And I can almost see the tears in their eyes. How can you feed your family when their neighbor insists on playing the karaoke until 3 o'clock in the morning? 24
All
hours.
throughout.
24 hours.
Will there be exception if there is
Of
birthday?
course, that's why we're going to have a public hearing.
Okay.
No? We're starting something new. Of course, some people will scream. I expect everybody to scream. And we will just listen. But what for Nakoy Barugana, that we have to take a stand. We have to do something. So, what I feel in mind is that every sitio should declare to their barangay captain the one day exception sa ilang fiesta.